So the sun is just about to set, and that's a great opportunity for me to show you night mode right here on the iPhone. It's one of the most misunderstood features of the iPhone because it's so secretive. It only comes out at night, like a vampire, okay? And once it gets dark, you can then turn it on and keep the shutter open a lot longer than normal. 10 seconds handheld, 30 seconds on a tripod. Let's wait for just a few more minutes here in Manhattan Beach, California. It's going to get dark and we're going to go check out night mode. Stay tuned. It's finally dark and you can open the carrot, get that icon, the little moon-like figure right after flash, and take it off auto to get the maximum. When it's a little dark, you'll get a few seconds. When it's really dark, you get to go a lot longer. For instance, now take a look at these back-to-back pictures and you'll see why you want to shoot in night mode. It's pretty apparent. One very important thing to look out for is once you're done shooting in night mode, you do want to turn it off, because otherwise when you're trying to take a normal picture, you don't want to do 10 seconds. You don't want the shutter to go off slowly to do a little portrait or a picture of a building or whatever. So be sure to turn it off when you're done. So that's night mode. Remember, it only comes out when it wants to, but what you want to do is get it off auto and all the way up to max, and you'll get your best shot in the dark on a tripod. Handheld will be okay too, but nothing beats the tripod. I'm Jefferson Graham. Stay tuned to PhotoWalks TV for more photo tips and travel adventures. I'll see you in the next Photo Walk.